It's a 1937 Ford Model 78 pickup, Washington blue and black over black. We took it to a show last weekend.
Pretty car.
It was
That's
a
a pretty
huge
car.
success. TV commercial history this car has.
Really?
It does. Yeah. Briefly. I watched it.
Did you see it? Mm-hmm. Good for you.
Very brief.
You got nothing else to do?
But it's in, well, when I see the consigners say that, I got to
You
go
wanna
find
go
the
find
commercial.
it, right,
It
right.
is on YouTube, and it's just a split second.
Sure.
Of the
Hey,
track.
but it is what
It's
it is.
in there.
221 cubic inch flathead V8, 3-speed manual transmission, new steering, and brake parts.
I should say that it's in black and white too, because they're showing it as if it was period.
Ah, gotcha.
So you can't see the blue, but it's a beautiful
The
truck.
old commercials that you see with old cars in them are fantastic, especially from the 60s. They were so
Yeah, oh, yeah.
creative in what they were doing with the commercials.
I love advertising and commercials.
If you have an opportunity, look up Burt Weinman Ford.
Burt Weinman.
Out of Chicago, yeah.
Right.
And he had the Sunday morning thing, and it was just, every Sunday you'd watch what were the new cars they were going to show.
Oh, I know. So exciting. So